Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tacoma's maintenance light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer reading is visible on the dashboard, not the trip meter. This is a crucial step for the reset process. Once confirmed, turn the ignition key completely off. This prepares the vehicle for the next sequence of actions. Now, press and hold the odometer reset button located on your dashboard. While keeping that button pressed, turn your ignition key back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. You will need to continue holding the odometer reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. This action initiates the maintenance light reset sequence within your vehicle's system. As you hold the button, you should see the maintenance light on your dashboard begin to blink. This blinking signifies that the reset process is underway. After a few moments, the light will turn off completely. This indicates that the maintenance reminder has been successfully reset. Once the light is off, you can release the odometer reset button. Your Tacoma's maintenance light is now clear. This reset procedure is effective for many Toyota Tacoma models. It is vital to remember that the maintenance light serves as a reminder for scheduled service. Always ensure you have performed the actual maintenance, such as an oil change, before resetting the light. For any specific details or variations, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. Keeping up with maintenance ensures your Tacoma runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.